Hello, and welcome on the mp3 Academy YouTube channel. This episode is about how to unlock the power of small consistent changes with mp3 Academy. The importance of small consistent changes. mp3 Academy module is designed to help you achieve sustainable progress in your life by focusing on manageable, everyday actions. Instead of overwhelming yourself with large, drastic changes, this approach ensures long-term success by building small, consistent habits that can be sustained over time. With mp3 Academy, you'll learn how to make real, lasting improvements that add up, ensuring that each step you take contributes to your personal growth and goals. One of the most valuable aspects of this module is how it helps you build momentum. Every small action you take leads to a sense of accomplishment, which fuels your motivation to keep going. mp3 Academy emphasizes the power of these small wins, showing you how to break down big goals into smaller, achievable tasks. Each task becomes a stepping stone, building momentum that keeps you moving forward, no matter how daunting your overall goal might seem. A major challenge in personal development is overcoming the mental barriers that prevent you from taking action. In this module, mp3 Academy teaches strategies to reduce resistance by starting with small, manageable steps. When you ease into tasks with a lower commitment threshold, it becomes easier to take action and stay consistent. This reduction of resistance is key to overcoming procrastination and inertia, allowing you to take control of your progress without feeling overwhelmed. The concept of compounding benefits is a central theme in this mp3 Academy module. Small, consistent changes may seem insignificant at first, but over time, they lead to substantial improvements across different areas of your life. Whether it's in health, productivity, or personal growth, the habits you develop through small changes accumulate, resulting in far-reaching positive outcomes. The module emphasizes how these incremental adjustments can create a ripple effect, transforming your daily life in ways you might not initially expect. Additionally, the module highlights the importance of enhancing adaptability. Life is full of unexpected changes, and being able to adjust your approach while maintaining progress is critical. mp3 Academy equips you with the mindset and tools to adapt to new challenges and disruptions without losing momentum. By staying flexible and open to new possibilities, you'll be able to continue growing, even in the face of obstacles. By focusing on small, consistent changes, mp3 Academy's module provides a practical and sustainable approach to personal development. It's perfect for anyone seeking to optimize their life by building habits that last, reducing resistance to progress, and enjoying the compounding benefits of continuous improvement. Start your journey today with mp3 Academy and see how small changes can lead to extraordinary results.